Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the Marvel series logos. So basically, we're going to be cutting out the Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. logo. It kind of looks like this right up here. So we're going to cut it out on this piece of wood. Okay, so the first part of the series, we were cutting out the Marvel logo, you know, just the normal logo, red background, text. Yeah. So go watch that. That'll be the link for that video will be in the description below. Watch that after you watch this video, and let's get to it. We just cut this piece of wood, okay? It's a square. So basically, we're gonna carve the logo out right here on this table. We're gonna set it there, carve it out, blah, 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 okay? And then we're going to clear coat it, so the entire thing, then we're gonna stain it. So it's gonna hopefully stain the outside of it, get that dark looking, but while the inside will be a lighter color. That's the idea, at least. So we'll see if that works. So let's get to it, and yeah. Okay guys, so we just cut this out. So basically, it has the logo. I think it turned out decent. One thing is our bits may have been a little dull and the wood a bit damp. So basically some parts didn't get cut out very well, like right here. So we're gonna go through and try to sand that down to make it look, you know, smoother, a bit nicer when we go to finish it and stuff like that. We also added this little keyhole thing in the back here, that way you can hang it up. So yeah. I have the video on how the router did that, so we'll show you that part, I guess, right here. So basically, we just put it down vertically like this, and then cut it through, and then back out, and then up. So yeah, we have this. So what we're gonna do is we're going to clear coat it, you know, after we clean that up, of course, and then we're gonna stain it, and then see how it looks. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so as you can tell, we just cut this out of here. So we also went in there, did a little sanding. So in some parts it looks better. Overall, I think it looks pretty good right now. So we cut it out using this oscillating tool. So basically, we're gonna have a review on this, so you can check that. The link for that's gonna be in the description below, so feel free to check that out after watching this video, of course. So what we're gonna do is we are going to clear coat this, and then we're gonna stain it, and then hopefully, like I said earlier, the part that's like sticking up on top the most will be a darker color than the grooves, and they should be a lighter color, and hopefully it comes out looking pretty good, and we think it'll look pretty cool. So we're gonna get to doing that, and you guys will see it like right now. Okay, so we just clear coated this with this spray can of like polyurethane clear lacquer, whatever. Basically, you can't really tell that it's actually been clear coated. It just feels like normal wood does. So what we're gonna do, we have like a thicker like brush on type clear coat. So we're gonna apply that on here. Hopefully that looks better. That way when we go to stain it, the grooves stay that light color instead of becoming whatever color we stain it. So that's the plan. And I think we're gonna go ahead and try it and see how that goes. Okay, so we just polyurethane this. Maybe you can see it on the camera. It should be a little shinier than how it was before. So yeah, the idea is we're going to just sand the top off and then stain it, and hopefully where it's in the grooves, the polyurethane will stay, and then the stain will only stain like the parts that are sticking up, and you'll be left with like two different colors. And yeah, that's the idea. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna start sanding. So yeah, let's go do that. Okay, so we just sanded this down. So this part here looks flatter because there's not the polyurethane there. So, you know, it's not shiny. The grooves are pretty shiny, so because they have the polyurethane. So the idea here is to stain the entire thing, but the stain will only go in the areas that doesn't have the polyurethane. And yeah, so basically this is the stain we're using. It's a real dark stain. So hopefully it'll come out looking pretty good, and hopefully we'll get like the pattern we're wanting. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so we just stained this, so as you can tell, it's a dark stain like I was saying. We just stained the entire thing. It looks pretty good, I think. So yeah, we're just going to do some finishing touches. So we're just going to polyurethane the whole thing, and then, yeah, it should look pretty good. It should make the whole thing kind of shiny. Once we do that, we'll show you what it looks like. So let's get to polyurethaning. Okay, so we just clear coated this. As you can tell, it should look pretty shiny in the camera. And yeah, we have the whole thing clear coated up. It looks pretty good, I think. So yeah, this is the Shield logo. We're probably gonna find a place to hang it. And yeah, we're gonna cut out other signs like this, and we already have some videos like that up. We have a Marvel logo sign, so feel free to check that out. Link to that will be in the description below, and maybe in a card up around the top. So yeah, feel free to check those out. Thanks for watching the video, guys, and we will see you in the next video.